Okay, what I'm going to do is go through the procedure on how to turn the transceiver on and then to transmit out on the FT890. Okay, the first thing you want to do before you turn the transceiver on is to check the power switch. Make sure the power switch is completely out. Okay, there it's completely out. The next two switches you want to check out is make sure the Vox control is completely out and the MOX control, the manual transmit. This is voice transmit, this is manual transmit. Make sure those two are completely out or off. Okay, so the power switch, check it. Check the Vox switch, make sure it's out or off, and check the mod switch or MOX, manual transmit, make sure that is off. Okay, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that the mic gain and the RF power are completely counterclockwise. So I'm going to turn the mic gain, check it, make sure it's completely counterclockwise, and check the RF gain to make sure those two are completely clockwise. The next thing you want to do is to check to make sure that the audio frequency or the volume control is about at the 10 o'clock position, and that the RF gain, which is this knob here, is all the way counterclockwise, all the way clockwise. So to make the receiver work right, all the way clockwise. Okay, make sure you're okay, I want to show you how to tune the transmitter manually, and what we're going to do is to show you the push buttons here, and then I'll take you over to the watt meter and show you how I tune the transmitter. This is going to be tuned up on 14248, so it's going to be tuned up on 20 meters. Okay, the first thing I want to make sure is that my mic gain is all the way counterclockwise and my RF gain is all the way counterclockwise. And we're going to tune the transmitter using the CW key, so I'm going to push that in. I'm going to tune it on CW, continuous wave, and I'm going to use the manual on transmit switch up here to turn the transmitter off and on as I tune the transmitter into my antenna. I'm using a antenna tuner, a Mtron ATR30. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take you through the procedure on how to tune this transmitter. I'm going to set the watt meter on low, and I'm going to turn the MOX switch on, or the manual transmitter switch on, and make sure that my output is about 6 watts. Okay, it's 6 watts out. Alright, now I'm going to tune my antenna tuner. I've previously tuned the antenna tuner, but I'm going to tune it again. I'm going to tune the antenna capacitor. So you go up real fast, and on the other side it goes up real slowly. So the best place for this is right on the other side where it goes up slowly, just like that. I'm going to use a transmit capacitor now, and I'm going to turn that. You can see it goes up slowly on one side and it goes up real fast on the other, so mismatch. So what I want to do is to raise it down, and then as it goes up on the slow side, just a little bit above that, and then that is the optimum position for this transmitter into the antenna that into the antenna. And the antenna is a Chris-Craft R5 vertical. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to switch my antenna tuner to high, which is from 0 to 300 watts. The other one was low, from 0 to 30 watts. Now I'm in the high position, 0 to 300 watts. I'm going to tune this, then I'm going to tune the RF gain up until I get 100 watts, and then back it off to about 90, because I don't want to be pushing my transistors in my FT890 above any more efficiency than they can handle. So I'm going to I'll turn that up, I'll kick my Vox in, you can see it go up, and I'm going to turn my RF power up, and you can see the power go up above, and then what I'm going to do is back it off just a little bit, about 90 watts out. I can also trim it up a little bit down here, make it drop. Okay, trim it up again. I'm putting power into the antenna now. So I got 0 SWR out, or match 1 to 1. Okay, after I do that, get set where I want it to be. Okay, I'm back to recording now. I want to turn my radio to upper sideband because I'm on a 20-meter band right now. Switch that. And then you can notice that my RF output here, the red notch, which is pointing with the pointer here, is at about the 3 o'clock position, which is 90 to 100 watts out. I'll turn my mic gain up. You can see it at the furthest counterclockwise position. I'll turn the mic gain up. So it's about at the 12 o'clock position now, and I can transmit out, and you'll see I'll switch the power output meter, and I'm going to test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Kilo Echo 5 Tango X-Ray Delta, calling CQ20. This is Kilo Echo 5 Tango X-Ray Delta, calling CQ20. And that demonstrates how to set the transmitter part of the 890.